Hi folks. So as you may have realized, conditional statements have a lot to do with inputs and outputs. What we're essentially doing is telling the computer that if this particular input happens, we want you to do this specific thing. As well as buttons as inputs, microbits have some sensors built into them that can be used as inputs as well. One of these is a temperature sensor. As an example of how to create a conditional statement, I'm going to set up my microbit so that it uses its temperature sensor to show a bar graph of the current temperature. And then I'll set up the conditional that if button A is pushed, I want it to show the temperature in numbers. Let's get to writing that program. First, we want to write code that uses the temperature sensor as an input and displays a graph of the temperature on the LED screen as an output. Before we start, I want to mention that what's going to appear on our LED screen is less of a bar graph and more of a chart. So it will show you that as the temperature increases, you'll start seeing an increase in the number of LED lights. And as the temperature decreases, you'll see a decrease in the number of LED lights. Well, let's get back to making our code. First, I'm going to click on the LED section, and then I'm going to look for the block that says plot bar graph of 0 up to 0. Then I'm going to drag it out and place it under the forever block. Next, I'm going to click on the input section and then look for the block that has temperature in Celsius. There we are. Once I find it, I'm going to be dragging this block up to the plot bar graph of 0 up to 0 and placing it on the first 0, so that now the statement says plot bar graph of temperature up to 0. Then we're going to modify this by setting the upper limit of the temperature graph. To do that, we're going to click on this 0 and set it to 50, which is what we want our limit to be. Next, we're going to write code that sets up a conditional so that if button A is pressed, then the LED screen shows the temperature in Celsius. To do that, we're going to be clicking on our logic section now. Then we're going to be selecting the if true then block. We'll be taking it out and dragging it under our code. Next, we'll want to click on input. We'll want to find the block, button A pressed, then drag it into the true section. Next, we want to click on the basic section and look for the show number block. And we'll want to drag this one right here. Finally, we're going to be clicking on input one more time and finding another temperature block, and then placing this one on the show number block. All right, now let's test our code. The virtual LED screen should show a graph of the temperature. As you can see, it's showing our graph. Let's raise the temperature up. Now, let's click A. All right, our code works. As you can see, when I click A, the number 26 appears to reflect the 26 Celsius. Now it's your turn. Using what you have learned so far, see if you can code the microbit to display the temperature chart. Then, set up a conditional statement so that if button A is pressed, the microbit displays the temperature in numbers. Then, as a challenge, see if you can include another line of code that if the temperature is above 20 degrees Celsius, it shows a happy face. And if it is below or equal to 20 degrees Celsius, it shows a sad face. I'll give you a hint. You will need to include a conditional statement within a conditional statement.